After having completed 9 robust model years in the automotive market, where a plethora of hundreds of thousands have been sold, the 6th-generation Chevrolet Camaro will eventually hang up its boots at the culmination of the model year 2024. The final Camaros of this generation will roll off the production line at the Lansing Grand River Assembly Plant, situated in Michigan, come January 2024. Astonishingly athletic and well-poised, this latest rendition of the Camaro is available in a duo of iterations, coupe and soft-top convertible. The 6th generation saw magnetic ride control arrive on the Camaro SS, and track-oriented 1LE packages proliferate through all of the levels of the lineup for the first time. The 650 horsepower ZL11LE, which is essentially the ultimate street-legal track Camaro, clinched the fastest lap time for any Camaro at GM's Milford Road Course, located at the company's Milford Proving Ground in Michigan. The Camaro has undeniably proven Chevrolet's winning potential in even the most grueling and demanding environments, whether it be achieving on-road performance awards or clinching race wins and championships at tracks situated all across the globe. Chevrolet plans to commemorate this iconic nameplate by offering the Collector's Edition package on the 2024 Camaro RS and SS, in addition to a limited number of ZL1-equipped vehicles that are available in North America. The Collector's Edition pays tribute to the Camaro and rekindles connections that date back to the development of the very first generation Camaro in the 1960s, most notably the program's primary code name, Panther. Further information about the 2024 Camaro line and Collector's Edition package will be made available closer to the beginning of the summer season as orders for the vehicle commence.